Hello everyone, I'm Nimmy Melvin from Nimmy Set. Today we're going to paint a Halloween painting. So I just chose a pumpkin basket. So let's get started. So these are the materials I'm going to use for this project. So let's start the sketching. First you have to mark equal space on both sides, 2-finger or 3-finger space. Then you have to draw a big oval shape. Then you can cut a little bit on top. Yeah, this much. Then erase the top part. Now we can add few lines into it. That means just leave 2-finger space in the middle and then you can add some curves. And in the middle you can add 2 curves. Very lightly because you will erase this line later. And on this line you can add big mouth on the second line. And then here you can add eyes. And a tiny nose. I'm going to add oval shape for the nose. And you can add some zigzag line. So we got the overall shape. Now we can add big arch shape for the handle. Then we can erase all these messy lines and then we will add the details. Now we can add the candies inside this, okay? So you can add any type of candies. I'm going to add some candies like this. Maybe you can add some small candies, oval, circles. So we are drawing all half of it, okay, on the side. And then I'm going to add big lollipop here. And maybe you can add one more lollipop here. Maybe a candy stick. And some candies are down here. So I have completed the drawing. Now I'm going to take my Sharpie and outline the drawing. So let's start painting, and there are 2 ways you can paint this. First you can paint the background and then you can paint pumpkin and all the other details, or else you can complete the pumpkin and all the tiny details and then you can go back to the background. So both are okay. So I'm going to make this video a little bit faster, but you can pause the video and slowly complete it. And for the pumpkin I will start with a medium orange color, then I will darken the lines on the side like a shadow color. Then I'll add the highlights, something lighter tone, okay? So first we'll do medium, then dark, then light tone. That is the way we are going to apply the color. So these are the main colors I'm going to take: burnt sienna, orange, yellow, white and black. Yellow is cadmium yellow. So start with orange color. So just dip your brush in water and take some orange. Apply everywhere. So you can see the lines when you apply the orange. That is important. So don't make it too thick because it's a base layer. Now I'm going to add a little bit of light brown or burnt sienna and mix it into orange. You can just draw one line on the left side of each line, just like this. Just completely draw this line. Use a small brush if it is difficult. Just one line on the left side of that black marker line. Now I'm going to apply orange one more time. So this way you can repeat each step. If you want to add one more layer of brown, you can do that. That means brown plus orange. Take a small brush and we can paint the black areas. So just take your black color, just add a little bit of brown so that will make it more thick. Now I'm going to paint the teeth. So take your orange color. Then mix a lighter tone. You can mix orange and yellow together. So this one is for the highlight. So I'm going to apply here just like a kind of lines. Take a small brush and apply this to the teeth too. One tiny line on the side. And you can take orange and then blend it on the side. So if you want to blend it, you can just blend it over the side and repeat this process, until you are getting a smooth edge. Yeah, see, you can just see this one. So again I'm going to take a little bit of orange and then I'm going to do this again, just smoothen that lines, making it softer edge. Just soften that. Now we can just take a little bit of yellow plus orange plus white, just a light tone, and then add a tiny dot, like a small highlight, like a nice oval shape. So I have completed painting the pumpkin. Now I'm going to take colors for the candies. Any color you like, okay, and just simply fill it, and then you can add patterns on top. I've completed painting, and if you want to paint the background you can do it. You can choose some light colors like yellow or light blue or pink or light purple. You can paint it, okay? And if you don't want to paint the background, that's okay. You can just keep it as like this. So it is so beautiful with the white background too. So I'm taking some cadmium yellow color with my big brush, and I'm going to paint everywhere. Now we can take colors for the handle of the pumpkin basket. So I'm taking black color. I have completed my painting. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.